It's time to craft. Let's go.
Happy New Year, guys! So let's get started with this first DIY. And as you can see, I have this sun hat that I am taking apart because I am going to be using it to create my first DIY for tonight. And it will be a love wall hanging decor piece. So as you can see, I am painting both of the sides in the color white by the Waverly Chalk brand. And you see I am using this wood round to basically act as an absorber of the extra paint that I had on the brush. And so now I'm taking those strips or making strips so that I can apply them horizontally on this wood square piece. And what you want to do is just basically size this, and a tip is to go ahead and cut out your pieces in advance so that when it comes to application, the only thing you have to worry about doing is just gluing it down. So guys, I want to welcome all of my new and returning subscribers to the channel. I pray that each and every one of you have had a great new year thus far. And I am looking forward to, interacting with you guys a little more in 2025. So stay tuned to the community board as I will be posting updates there about things that will be going on the channel. And so now that I've applied the strips all the way up the board, I am taking this wood piece, the heart shape, and I am applying it to the left corner of the board. And then I just took the little flower and put it in the center. And now you see me tracing or going around the board, outlining it in some of that beautiful burlap ribbon. And then I did burn the phrase off of it. And you guys, if you are a regular on my channel, you already know that Joy is going to get rid of those phrases by burning them off. And I do have this love sign that I purchased from, I think this love sign came from either Walmart or Hobby Lobby. And I am just painting it in some of that khaki paint that is by Apple Barrel. And then I just glued down the love sign on this piece. And now we're headed into DIY number 2. And I am just basically going around this entire piece using some of that khaki paint. And I will be painting both sides in this color. If you are new to the channel or have yet to subscribe to the channel, please go ahead and consider subscribing. All you have to do is hit that red button right there that says subscribe. And then go ahead and click on that notification bell. That way YouTube will notify you each and every time I upload anything to the channel. And trust me, your girl Joy will appreciate it. So as you can see, I am just adding more of that khaki paint to this wood round. And this wood round can be found at the Dollar Tree. And I did just dry brush some of that white paint on the back side of this piece in a distressing fashion. I took one of the calendar inserts and I am just adding some of that Elmer's glue, the glue stick, and I applied it to the back, applying it on the board, just pressing it down. This is one way to create beautiful decor without breaking your budget. And so I think this piece is turning out very cute, and I cannot wait for you to see the end result. And all I'm doing here is just sanding off the edges of this piece. And to clean it up, I have some of those flat dowel rods that I placed on the bottom half of the word love. And then I just painted it in some of that khaki paint. Again, this is an Apple Barrel paint that you can find at Walmart. And then now I'm taking the jute rope that you can find at the Dollar Tree and just trimming the top portion of it with this jute rope where it meets the dowel rod, and then I am just going to cut the excess off. And now I'm just responding to a text, so never mind that. And I'm burning the phrase, because again, if you are a regular on my channel, you know I'm going to burn the phrase off this jute rope. And now I am making some some bows out of this burlap ribbon. There I go. That I purchased from Dollar Tree. Now this beautiful ribbon is usually found on an end cap, and so you don't usually find this one with the other ribbon. But again, I'm just gluing it down, and then now I am getting ready to make a jute twine bow. And I unraveled it and I just played around with it a little bit, and then I decided, hey, it's not long enough, and so I had to cut off more to make this, and you'll see that in the reveal. And now we're headed into DIY number 3. This is a very quick and simple project. All you're doing is taking one of those Valentine's Day gift bags, and it has all the little sayings on there, and I just cut it down to fit this cutting board that you can find at the Dollar Tree. I use some of that Eileen's tacky glue in the color clear, and I am just applying it all the way around so that it's secured to this wood piece. Now I will say that this will need to dry, so when you see it in the reveal, it does have spots, and it's only because it is still wet. But at the end of the day, this turned out really, really cute, and it's very simple and cost effective. Budget friendly Valentine's Day decor is what I will be bringing to you this Valentine's Day season. And as you can see, I have some of those large popsicle sticks from Walmart, and I just cut them down to cover the sides because this is going to be a rustic farmhouse type piece, and I think it turned out really, really cute. And I think you are going to be in for a treat if you start using these type of decor to style your home. And now I'm using some of those half beads and to finish up this look. And again, this is like a farmhouse look, and I hope that you all are enjoying this content so far. And please let me know once we head into the reveal, which one of these projects were your favorites. Will you be recreating any of them? And will you be sharing this video with your friends and family? Anyway, guys, here is the reveal. You gotta let me know what you think of this piece. I think this DIY number 1 turned out very, very cute, considering where it was and where it is now. And then the calendar insert. Who would have thought that you can take beautiful calendar pieces and make affordable decor to fit any budget? And then look at this fun piece here. I think this turned out very cute, very simple. And for all of these projects, I think that they are all budget friendly. And here they are all styled together. So guys, make sure that you leave me a comment and let me know if you like all of these pieces and if you will be sharing it with your friends and family. And also guys, if you have yet to subscribe to the channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button. Don't forget about the notification bell. Until the next DIY, guys, be blessed. Bye for now.